Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Touchpad is not working after Windows update. So click to start and type device manager. Open this and then find out interface devices, human interface devices. Otherwise point device, mic and other point device also find like this, and then find out touchpad. Okay, so I am using the Asus laptop. Okay, so this is Asus laptop touchpad. Otherwise you can see ELAN touchpad, standing touchpad. So guys, right click to uninstall, but guys, if you connected external mouse, then you can click to uninstall it. Otherwise, if you using keyboard, so need to connect the USB mic. Okay, sorry, USB mouse, and then click to, otherwise click to update driver, go to update, it's already updated, then close it. Okay, then one more time go to the same locations and then extract these and copy the hardware, select, right click, property, and then detail, then find out H hardware, hardware ID, just right click to copy. Okay, and then close it, open any browser. Then you can search on the Google and you can download the driver, otherwise not. So go to Google website and then enter your model number, otherwise model number, your service tag, this like Asus Vivo book touchpad driver, and then hit enter. You can also add the Windows 11 and first link. Okay, might be this wrong driver. Go to this support driver center, and you can also add the model number. Okay, serial number. So if you don't know how to get the serial number, so you can see, check in the bottom. Okay, so like select this motherboard, laptop, servers, all, laptop, Asus VivoBook, and then hit enter. After that, manual and more. Otherwise you can enter the directly serial number. You can click automatic detect the computer serial number, accept it, start. You can see this one, then driver tool. This is a Wi-Fi driver, chipset, audio, graphic card, point device mean touchpad driver. Okay, click to download, then it is start, then open it, then click to yes, next, next, accept, next, install, next, and then you can install later, restart later, and then close it. Then click to start, and then in the search type touchpad, touchpad setting, then just on and off. Okay, This is actual setting. Okay, this is a basic setting. Yeah, and then restart your system. Thank you.